It definitely was the greatest reggae show on earth, and night 2 was something else.
It's all about reggae and night 2 of Reggae Sumfest. Who you coming to tonight differently?
Well, Barris, of course, got Barris on the man, and I saw him and I had fun and enjoyed myself. Listen, I'm absolutely loving the vibe. Chris is on stage right now, and he just did a song for the women and what's going on in Jamaica. I'm gonna get goose pimples, like my love wagwan. It's really nice, Saturday night, really awesome.
Oh, you can say we your friend. I broke bread with me enemy, them, and you a pop champagne. Man was some of it dead. Look at Judas, you know, sister, something wrong with your head. Oh God, and then I tell man about business.
So right now they were on a team and staple them Warriors Night streets right now. Talk to me, how Sumfest come on?
Yeah man, you know, so the show going good so far. And you them going good still. First night, but right now Christopher Martin I deal with the different. They are wait for me, the man, the king of dancehall still, cause you don't know my artists are from day one.
I can't tell you who I trust with my life right now, Reggae Sumfest.
It's great. Really great.
Alright, so talk to me, where you come to tonight?
Next to that and the coffee.
Violence against women, that's the biggest message.
Alright, so who you come to tonight right now?
Sister Kalanji, definitely. Sister Kalanji, definitely.
Me now waste no time, baby, you know you and my mind.
Yo, Summit's full of vibes right now. Talk to me, how it go?
Wicked man. Coffee go on good. Berries flap it. Don't know where you go. Mad thing.
So who you come to tonight?
Dapper Daps man, I don't know Dapper Daps. You see it?
Jaja bless my life, so no can't follow me.
What's the vibe like at Sumfest right now?
Mr. International Street.
Don't give up, everything I come true. Only Father God I go push.
If you can choose a moment of performance, what's your favorite?
Between lockdown and toast.
Yeah,
I feel the audience's energy. Yeah.
It was such a wonderful vibe up there. People showed me so much love. They sang along to my songs.
Yeah.
And I just feel proud of myself, man.
In terms of the preparation process, what did you want to achieve tonight?
Tonight, I just wanted to go out there and put my best foot forward.
Sumfest at right now, boss. Where's that going now?
Yeah man, it's a big up intense TV, they don't say Sumfest today, yeah. That media part, you see me? Go around everything.
Fully content.
I'm in love with you. I've been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
I always try to sound just like the record, so with that being said, I try to make sure I emulate that sound there.
I was in England also, so you know I be blinging. I got the blings from England, so the bling is there. Yeah.
We're not taking it out, Maestro Dan.
Yeah man, we come on for the senorita them from Portmore to Sumfest still.
Yaksa, how was your experience tonight on the Reggae Sumfest stage?
It was like a little kid that pull a sugar bottle.
Yeah.
Excitement, you know?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man.
Any highlights?
Yeah, my highlight tonight is you, the beautifulest girl in that
Hey.
Jamaica, make you so little and talawa.
Hey.
And when you put in your water. People are just tired of the one sound every day. People like new things.
Lawgiver gracing the Reggae Sumfest stage.
The Kingston from Kingston, yes.
The Kingston from Kingston. How was the experience?
Yes, it was a great vibe, you know what I mean? It was electric out there, you know what I mean?
Nation Boss, how was your Sumfest experience?
Like right now, I don't have words to explain honestly. I just love the energy. I love the love when me receive. It was amazing.
Me no have that no fear man. Me a blind man.
Intense vibe here at Reggae Sumfest, and I have Kalia. Kalia, tell us, how was your first Reggae Sumfest experience?
It was amazing. Shockingly, the crowd received me well. Cause you know, Jamaican crowd, not easy, tough, and it's my first time, so I couldn't have asked for a better response from the crowd. It was so much fun on stage.
Well, one of these and we ain't gonna waste no time.
Particular giving you originality. Boss a shot if you wish, make a look the quality.
Let me see my part of my night. Drop the hard and it's like a beat of Mariah. One down the road. One of them. Cause you want to fight a man. Something. One big a cherry, but you like a pumpkin.
Yes, scandal your day when them can't take your strength. Hypocrite actor, when the roots of your condemn there, on the fire, and it's a burn of the wicked.
There you have it, guys, the return staging of Reggae Sumfest 2022. To say it was intense, boy, I'd say, I don't even know, I can't even describe this year's staging, but what I can say, it has been special to be outside once again.